Before using the universal adapter plate, first remove the socket lid. Then place the adapter plate above the socket guide and attach it through the board mounting holes. Universal adapter plates can be attached only to boards that comply with the Mechanical Devices Board Design Rules. Adhering to the Mechanical Devices Board Design Rules enables customers to use the same universal adapter plate in many different projects, thus eliminating the need for a new mechanical interface for every project, thereby providing considerable cost savings. The usage of mechanical stoppers is optional. Slide them onto the bases of the alignment pins. Then, insert the DUT into the socket guide. Screw the thermal head onto the adapter plate. You are now ready to start your testing.